Hey guys, Ben Graham here, your local leader, bringing you another episode of Life on Our Four Corners with a local business owner. I've got Brent here from Eon Computers to talk to you about his company. Brent?
I use this facility as a platform to just help out my other clients, the other small businesses that are in here, and to branch out from here to do work all over the valley.
Outside of working for this building right here, how else do you serve your clients?
Whatever people need. There's too much bureaucracy, there's too much headache in IT, and I just want to get rid of all that, get through it all, and just get down to the problem. Does it work? Do you need it to work? I'm going to make it work for you. That's as simple as it gets.
I love it. How cool is that message? So let me ask another question too. Are you primarily focused on, work from home setups, small businesses, medium-sized businesses? What do you do?
I do everything from facilities of this size to going to your house to fix grandma's printer. I do everything in the middle. Whatever it is, however it is. If I don't know how to do it, I know who does, and I'm the guy you want to call. It's a thrill to always fix something, to finally get it solved, and to see the satisfaction on somebody's face when,
Sure.
Oh my God, it works, it prints, I connect, my emails are coming in. It's backed up, it's restored, it feels good. The clients love it. I love it. It's the joy of the fix.
Awesome. So especially now more than ever with people working from home, I'm sure you're very busy. So again, make sure you get in touch with you to reach out and get you set up at your home environment. Again, I just want to make sure you guys know how to contact Brent for any and all of your IT needs. Again, nothing is too big or too small for this master. What's your contact information?
Everything can be found at my website, eonaz.com. Again, that's eonaz.com. My phone number, my email, my picture. You can see everything you need to get in touch with me on that website.
Perfect. And you've been in the business for a while, right?
I've been doing this since 2004.
Okay, so you've got an experienced pro. If he can handle this building, he can for sure handle whatever needs you may have.